I'm Russell, and this is Voice Over Work, an audiobook sampler. Where do you listen? Today is September 4th. Not only is today Labor Day, but it is also World Sexual Health Day. Is it just coincidence that it is also Eat an Extra Dessert Day? Today we introduce Peter Hollins' book, Learn Like Einstein. This book is your scientifically proven field guide on using your brain to its fullest potential like Albert Einstein. This is not a boring textbook full of generic tips like manage your time better and don't cram at the last minute. There are specific and actionable tactics to address every aspect of your learning, from memorizing, reading faster, absorbing more, or focusing better. Here is the audiobook preview. Einstein is one of the most celebrated scientists, thinkers, and philosophers of all time. His scientific achievements are nothing short of remarkable, but individuals may be wondering, why should it matter to them? What people don't realize is that many of his observations about learning are relevant in daily life even today. Learn Like Einstein brings to life the legendary Einstein's many insights into problem solving, exploring a broad range of topics from curiosity and focus to goal setting and risk taking. In this book, individuals will have an opportunity to unleash their inner Einstein by unearthing their own learning style through practical guidelines, self-reflection, and thought-provoking ideas. All this knowledge is accessible for readers of all ages to explore and become more creative thinkers. This book is akin to a beloved best friend for anyone who wants to maximize their efficiency while devouring complex material with confidence. Curiosity is a vital asset for lifelong learners. It serves as an innate motivator that encourages people to go above and beyond, playing an integral role in the active pursuit of knowledge and ideas. From the insatiable inquiries of a 3-year-old toddler to the intricate theories of world-renowned scientists like Einstein, it is curiosity that drives investigation, allowing people to perceive phenomena from different angles and understand how they are interconnected. This chapter is going to be all about engaging with this intrinsic motivation, pursuing instinctual inclinations toward new topics and concepts by narrowing one's focus on no more than a few key objectives and pushing oneself with dogged determination toward these goals. Individuals can develop skills that allow them to embrace challenges with optimism. Curiosity unlocks everything. Albert Einstein revolutionized the way we view the world, yet he didn't consider himself especially gifted. Instead, he believed in the power of imagination over knowledge and credited his success to his immense curiosity. The desire to understand things outside his realm produced a relentless pursuit of answers, questions, and ideas that ultimately shaped mankind's current understanding of science. So, what is curiosity? Why should it be valued? And how does it fuel mankind's imagination to become better, more vigorous learners? Curiosity can be defined as the desire to learn or know more about something. It's a powerful motivator for exploration, discovery, and learning, and it's a fundamental part of human nature. When people are curious about something, they are driven to seek out new information, to ask questions, and to explore the world around them. This process of exploration and discovery is essential for learning and personal growth, and it is what fuels mankind's imagination to become better and more vigorous learners. Furthermore, curiosity can help people develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that people can continuously learn and improve themselves, no matter their skill set or knowledge base. It's based on the idea that hard work and effort can be used to overcome difficulties and failures. that's this week's episode of Voice Over Work, an audiobook sampler. Don't forget to join us next week for another episode. Thank you for listening. Join us next week for the chapter-by-chapter preview of this very title.